Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a simple hack to enable you to transform a washing machine motor into a generator. So this is the washing machine motor. Now any motor has two components. The stator, which is the part that doesn't move around. So the stator in this case has two coils, one coil up, one coil down, and the part that moves, the rotor, the part that rotates. And now if we want to transform this in a generator, very simple, we have to excite the stator coil with some electricity. It becomes an electromagnet basically. So some people are dismantling these motors, putting magnets inside, all kinds of difficult things to do, when it's very simple. You can transform that coil into electromagnet, simple. Now this motor has different contacts now. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contacts. The two in the middle, the small red ones, they go for the counting of the RPMs, so I excluded them, I cut them out. The first one here, I don't really know what it was for because there's no complementary wire here. So you have these two and these two, basically number 2, 3, 6 and 7. So number 2, 3 would be black and brown, and 6 and 7 would be gray and red. Now the ones that we need to put power in, electricity for the stator, will be, okay, let's see, the gray and the black are for the brushes. You see the black here, and if we rotate, the gray, these are for the brushes, these are for the rotor. And for the stators, for the stator of the motor, we have the red and the brown. Now the red and the brown are these ones, are number 2 and number 7. This is where we're gonna put electricity. I have a 6-volt battery that I'm gonna connect to that, but first let's connect the light bulb and the socket. I have this light bulb with a socket and wires, and I will connect to these contacts. Okay, that's one. That's the second one. All right. So now, as we have the light bulb connected, let's make sure they don't get in touch with anything. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the power to the battery that we have here. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which contact, because this is a universal motor, and it works with DC and AC electricity. And okay, let's put the battery on the side here. Let's turn the motor so that I can, okay, now we can see the power. Let me make sure there's no contact here. So so we don't have a short. Battery, put it a little bit more like that, so I have room here for the string. Now I'm gonna coil a little bit of a string here so we can see that the motor now is acting as a generator. So now, okay, where's the light bulb so we can see the light bulb? Good. There it is. Once more. So this is with low RPMs, low rotation, because I don't have another motor to turn. But as you can see, it's still connected to the 6-volt battery, connected to the light bulb, and because we have electricity, 6-volt electricity in the stator, it acts as a generator. Now some people would say, okay, this light bulb is an LED light bulb. Everybody in their videos use an LED light bulb. Of course, those are working with a much lower power output. But let's put now a light bulb, 100 watts light bulb for 220, and we can see the result here. Let me bring it more like so it's visible. Oops, doesn't have good contact there. It's possible. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Okay, I will turn the lights off a little bit so it's visible a little bit better. Let's see. Like I said, this is a 100 watts light bulb, so this motor, higher rotations, would output more electricity, and this is just a blink of electricity that it gives to. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it's focused. It's trying to focus, sorry. Because of the lighting, the phone is not focusing properly. Okay, let's see. Now you could see on a 100 watts light bulb that the power is coming. So that's it, folks. Very simple. Then you have to connect with a belt this generator to another motor, and you can get a electricity generator at home. Simple as that.